Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Yun yung nagdalawang si Albert pati si Carpio ang nagregalo sa amin yung mga islands mo eh. Nirigalo, namimigay ang mga putang. Just because we have a conflict with China does not mean to say that we have to be rude and disrespectful. As a matter of fact, we have many things to thank for China for the help in the past and itong mga tulong nila ngayon. China, I know President Xi Jinping because I was blunt in my unang nakita namin, sinabi ko na kaagad about our resources dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Sabi ko, alam ko na may dalawang taong maingay. Sabi nga ni Xi Jinping na alam namin. Yun yung nagdalawang si Albert pati si Carpio ang nagregalo sa amin yung mga islands mo eh. Nirigalo, namimigay ang mga putang. Tapos you have the temerity to blame anybody for your, in diplomatic term, fupa. Tapos ako ang bintangan ninyo na it happened way back in year 2014 when the Philippine Coast Guard was ordered to retreat by, ayaw ko bakit, alam mo, mayor ako noon, pero hindi lang, gusto kong sabihin sa military, bakit kayo nakikinig dyan sa putang ina? Huwag niya mag-retreat, hindi nga Pilipino ang mukha niya, tignan ninyo. Oversize. And he made the order after the suggestion of America who brokered the talks. In a sense, the talks failed in favor of China. So umatras tayo, doon na nagka-letse-letse ang buhay. Ngayon pagdating ko, nandiyan na yung barko, ang mga ulol, yung dalawa, ako na ang pagbubintangan kasi I am not asserting enough. Ano pa ba ang pinaka? Puro matay abogado siguro. What would be the best evidence really to fight for and die for? If you have a piece of paper and say, I'm going to die, I'm going to fight for my life, for my property, and for my happiness. Ipag-away ko to. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa kayong mga putang ina ninyo? Huwag ninyo ikat yan. Tanungin mo ka, bakit pina-atras ninyo? Hindi kayo nagpadala doon at nagkagira na sana tayo noon, tapos na sana kayong dalawa. Because kayo ang i-lynch mo, brought misery to our country. Ngayon na history is being made, recorded every day, you want yourselves to free from any liability. Para sa akin, yung taong nagpapasok sa China Sea, lahat na, including the West Philippine Sea, ang mga taong nagpapasok, sila yun. At ang nagpapasok kasi umatras kay ang Pilipinas at pumasok upon the orders. It was the order, as a matter of fact, of Albert. sources says that he never got the permission from the president at that time, President Aquino. Yan nga nagmayang nagmamarunong eh. That's the problem when this cock-eyed scholars begin to tinker in the affairs of the country or allow them to have a wide elbow room so as to commit and discredit the country in the process. Yan ang dahilan. Ang pinaka-authority na to but there will be another time for him, maybe, is Roque. Abogado ito. And he was one of the lawyers who filed a case in connection with this itong agawa ng West Philippine Sea. Si Secretary Roque is well-versed, equipped, and he has the knowledge of what really happened. He is the human recorded history kasi sige daldal hanggang hindi matapos ang ano. Tignan ninyo, matapos na lang kayo, si Roque hindi pa matapos magdaldal yan. Tignan ninyo. And that is to your maybe sadness and chagrin. So, unahin lang natin ang problema natin, alamin natin ang sitwasyon, galing mismo kay Secretary Duque. Now, si Secretary Duque, maraming sa kanya, batikos. Yun lang rin ang mga kalaban niya. Yun lang rin na gusto rin marinig lang na abogado o doktor. Just to hear their name, maybe in the narratives of the news in the evening. Maligaya na sila dyan. Itong Albert na ito, ako pa ang sinisisi. Makita kita, suntukin kita eh. Buang ka. Ako ang pakialam man, ako ang nakialam na pagdating ko, nandiyan na yung barko ng China. Ang atin ang wala. Buti sana kung nandiyan yung barko ng China, tapos pagdating ko, meron tayong barko. Yun! Ibang istorya yon. Magkahayaan tayo doon. Pero ako nga, sabi ko kay wala naman tayong away. At yung, hayaan lang ninyo yung mga mangingisda. Kasi ang tao kumakain. I told China that I know that it's yours. According to you. I've heard that several times. But you know, you must also have heard of the fact that people are hungry. Ang Pilipino ay gutom. And you are not oblivious to that fact. So, kindly just allow our fishermen to fish in peace. And so there is no reason for trouble. If there is one brewing, you call our attention and we can talk immediately to solve the problem. Yun ho ang ano niyan. Huwag kayo maniwala isang retired na, wala na yan. Retired, anong nagawa mo? Anong nagawa mo pagka Supreme Court mo? I want to say something pero ayaw kung it might degrade into something. Kaya hintuan mo na pang pagyayabang ninyo. Mga insultong ako, kayo yun. Alam mo ano talaga ang problema? Putang ina, wala kayong bayag. Yan ang totoo. Nasa gobyernong ito, kung presidente ka, kung hindi ka marunong pumatay, hindi ka marunong mamatay, hindi walang pag-asa ang saan ka magtago. Every time there's a conflict, you mean to say, we will hide? Kayo nag-stand up doon. Ang aking armed forces, ng inyong armed forces rin, were ready to die for their country. Kayo yung mga walang bayag sa opisina, puro papel ang hinahawakan, wala namang aksyon na pupunta, may baha dito, may problema dito, may sunog, landslide. Inyo, newspaper lang, pati yung mga kaso. Ewan ko kung ilang kaso na hinawsyaw ninyo. Ito si Albert, sumipot lang ato. Pretending, Albert is pretending to be in public. Noong ko pa nahalata yan. He acts like with finesse. Sinasadya niya. Parang a diplomat of the making of the century. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi ako nimala. Una, hindi ka Pilipino. Hindi yung Pilipino yung mukha mo. Hindi maniwala sa'yo. Bakit kita kunin, I don't even think that, pakita mo nga yung, residence certificate mo kung Pilipino ka ba? Ito si Carpio, tumaba na ng gusto. Walang ginawa kung hindi magdadaan. Tumahimik ka nga ang putang ina mo. Let's ka. Tapos madaldada ako, nagamura. Bakit? Ganun naman talaga ako. And there is one thing fundamental that you said. I never in my campaign as president promised the people that I would retake the West Philippine Sea. I did not promise that I would pressure China. I never mentioned about China and the Philippines in my campaign because that was a very serious matter. You need to have a diplomatic tokatis dyan. Hindi ako dyan. Nandiyan sa ating foreign affairs. Trabaho nila yan. I never, you pretended to work on it. Ako wala. Kasi wala naman akong, I never promised anything. Just because I'm president, gusto ninyo magipag-away ako. Walang question yan. Baski ngayon. Meron tayong barko dyan ngayon sa Sabi ko, stay put kayo. Sige, yan na. Pagdating ng panahon, marami kayong daldal. Maghanda kayo magpagkamatay. Kaya, ROTC man siguro itong mga gagon to. Kaya unang ipadala ko doon. So much for that idiotic persons.